Hey guys, it's Gwen with Elite Custom Golf Carts, and I am going to show you guys how to put an enclosure on the Terra 2+2 model. This is how it comes out of the box, and it's probably the easiest installation that we've ever had. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to keep this folded up like this and put it on top of the golf cart. And then I'm going to unfold it. You'll know you have it on right because there's no front panel and this is the back panel. And once you get it completely unfolded, you'll just pull down the rest of the sides. And in the front, we're gonna have these 4 flaps to put around the frame of the windshield. And we are gonna bring the windshield down for this. And this one might be a little bit tricky because you have to get it between the windshield and the frame. Then you'll do the same thing with these 4 flaps on the other side. And it's helpful to unzip the first zipper so you can reach inside. And we're just gonna put the windshield back up just to make sure everything's in the right place. Also in the box, you're gonna get a bunch of these straps, and I'm gonna show you how to put these on really quick. You'll make sure this is going the right way. You'll put it through the back of the first loop, down through the bottom. So then you'll loosen it and put it on here. Once you get those put on all the way around, you're good to go. But if you want to roll the enclosure up, I'll show you how to do that. So first, you're going to unhook all of these from around the sides. Then you're going to individually open up all the zippers. And then starting from the bottom, you would tightly roll everything up. And then at the very top, there's snaps with buttons. And it works the same way for all the panels all the way around. That is the enclosures for the Terra 2+2. So if you want one of these, the link is in the description below at EliteCustomGolfCarts.com.